favorite first graders. Have you heard that song before or seen this flag? Yes or no? They'll give you some clues of what we're working on today in social studies. It is March the 22nd. What do you think we're doing today? We will understand American customs and traditions. Check out this first yellow word with a capital letter A. Say it with me. American. Nice job. This is the flag of America. We drew it last week. It's got how many stars? 50. How many stripes? 13. Nice memory. Today we're going to talk more about America and more of the customs and traditions that we have. Do you know what customs and traditions are? You are going to find out today. How? First, we will practice reciting the Pledge of Allegiance, like my girl up here is practicing. Then we will research facts about Independence Day on Pebble Go to explain how we celebrate. Do you like to celebrate? What do you celebrate? Your birthday? Easter? Valentine's Day? Mother's Day? We celebrate a lot of things. Today we're going to be talking about this big red word. Read it with me. Ready? Independence. Nice job. We'll talk about Independence Day today. Have you ever heard of Independence Day? Yes or no? It is a day that we celebrate here in America, and we have some traditions to talk about. And today you will explain how do people celebrate. Why? We will understand why Independence Day is an important holiday. Say that last yellow word with me, please. Holiday. I love holidays. Today we're going to see a special holiday on Pebble Go so we can explain it in our journals. But first, we're going to say the Pledge of Allegiance. Have you ever said the Pledge of Allegiance before? Today you're going to say it with me. We'll practice together. Here's a video for us to practice. They'll tell us exactly what to do with our bodies and what to say with our mouths. Eyes on the screen, ears turned on to hear the words, and let's learn, how do you do the Pledge of Allegiance?
The Pledge of Allegiance.
Seen that flag before? Dun, 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 dun. I've got the flag ready. What do?
Americans place their right hand over their heart.
Okay, first of all, look at all these Americans out there. Are you an American? Are they sitting down or are they standing up? They're standing up. We need to stand up too when we practice today. The next step says they place their right hand over their heart. Everybody has two hands. Show me your two hands. But we want your right hand. You have to get your right hand and place it on your head. No, I don't need your temperature. Place it on your heart. It comes across your chest, here on your heart. Do you feel your heart beating? When you place your hand on your heart, you are showing respect and that you mean what you say. All right, are you standing up? Check. Is your right hand on your heart? Check. Let's keep going.
This shows respect and that we mean what we say. I pledge allegiance.
Repeat it with me. Ready? I pledge allegiance.
To the flag.
To the flag.
Of the United States of America.
Of the United States
and
of America.
To the republic.
And to the republic.
For which it stands.
For which it stands.
One nation,
one nation,
under God,
under God,
indivisible,
indivisible,
with liberty
with liberty
and justice
and justice
for all.
for all.
The Pledge of Allegiance.
You did it! Bravo, bravo, my respectful Americans. We will practice every Monday until you know it by memory. Now that we've done our Pledge of Allegiance, we are headed to Pebble Go.
Pebble Go.
So we can research, what's this important holiday? Independence Day. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides to research and a video next. Remember, we are paying close attention.
What is it?
To find out how people celebrate. What are we paying attention to today? How people celebrate. Nice job. Are they going to carve pumpkins? Make heart cards? Let's pay attention so we know how to
Holidays.
celebrate. Ready?
Independence Day is a U.S. national holiday. It is always on the 4th of July. On that date in 1776, the American colonists declared their independence from Great Britain.
All right, now slide 1 says Independence Day is always on the 4th of July. What day of July? 4th. A lot of people call this holiday the 4th of July because it's a little easier to remember and to say than Independence Day. What does independence mean?
Independence. Freedom from the control of other people or things.
If you are independent, you are free from others' control to do what you want. You have your own independence or freedom. So Independence Day is a national United States holiday, always on the 4th of July. On that date in 1776 is when the American colonists declared their independence from Great Britain. We've talked about this a lot, how we created the first 13 colonies. That's why we have the 13 stripes. And those 13 colonies wanted to be free from Great Britain. So there was a battle. Remember that battle? We'll see it in a second. And when we won our independence, now that day that they won the battle is a holiday.
The story of Independence Day.
Here's a little more information of the past.
In the 1600s, people from England sailed to America. These colonists were ruled by the King of England. He made the colonists pay taxes that they felt were unfair. The colonists wanted to be free.
Like we said, they've come over and made those 13 colonies, but they were still being ruled or bossed around by the King of England. So he's on the other side of the ocean in another country, and he's still trying to tell them what to do over here. He made the colonists pay taxes. What's taxes?
Tax. Money that people or businesses must give to the government to pay for what government does.
So they're having to pay taxes. We pay taxes today. It goes to the government. So when I go to the store and I buy some M&Ms, I have to pay a little tax to the government of my country. Those taxes help to fix our roads and things in our country. But here, these colonists said, we're here in the United States. Why are we paying you our tax money over there in Britain? What are you doing over there for us? Why are we giving you our money when we're over here working? Why are you the boss of us?
Holiday.
Fighting for freedom. England and the colonies began the Revolutionary War in 1775.
War.
On July 4th, 1776, the colonists wrote the Declaration of Independence. The colonies won the war and became the United States in 1783.
So they decided they did not like that King of England telling them what to do, so they're going to war, called the Revolutionary War. The colonists wrote the Declaration of Independence to say these are our new rules now that we are our own country. The colonies won the war and became the official United States in 1783.
A national holiday.
Here's a picture of how people celebrate. Pay attention. You will draw me something like this today.
The first Independence Day celebration was held in Philadelphia in 1777. Ships in the harbor fired their cannons.
Cannons.
People lit candles and built bonfires. They flew flags and set off firecrackers.
I love firecrackers, but I don't know about a cannon exploding. Fires, candles, all beautiful. Look at all the people that are together, waving flags, celebrating, and having a great time. The first celebration was in Philadelphia in 1777. Have you ever flown a flag? Have you ever popped fireworks? You can show me that today and how we celebrate. One more slide before our cool fireworks video.
Independence Day today.
Wow, look at those pretties.
Americans celebrate freedom every Independence Day. People watch fireworks. They attend parades. People picnic with their family and friends. People listen to speeches. They fly the U.S. flag.
I'm flying my flag every day, but especially on Independence Day. There's lots of things on this slide you could draw me. Fireworks, parades, picnics with family and friend, and listening to speeches. All of these are ways that we celebrate today our freedom on Independence Day. All right, we've got a video, and then we're ready to draw in our journals. What's that? Go America! Do you like firecrackers? Yes or no? Or does the loud noise scare you? It scares my dog, but they are so pretty. Now that's just one way that we celebrate. But there's lots of other things we learned today on this slide about Independence Day. It's now your turn
Pebble go.
to explain to me, how do we celebrate? Get yourself ready, because you will need your crayons. You will need your journal. And you know what else you'll need? Ding-da-da-ding, that skinny little pencil. And come meet me on video too, so we can show some beautiful red, white, and blue. See you soon.